Boys, you gotta understand that attractiveness is not just eyes deep. How you talk, how you look, and even how you smell all plays a role. And once you start understanding that, that's when you're gonna unleash that inner sexiness that we all got. Well, today we're gonna test this theory out. We brought in 10 guys to speed date Alessandra.
Hi, my name's Alessandra and I'm a student at Montclair State. I'm 20 years old and I'm really into fashion marketing and I'm super excited to speed date 10 guys.
Alessandra will be rating how attractive these guys are based on their scent. But here's where it gets interesting. See, each guy will be wearing a popular fragrance that you and I have probably owned in the past or do own right now because it's just so damn popular. So I'm interested to find out, do any of these scents actually play a role? Do they actually affect attractiveness? Let's find out.
My name is Anthony. I'm looking forward to this date. I'll be going into this date using Gucci Guilty.
My name is Mike Mack. I'm 26 years old, and today I'll be using Sauvage by Dior.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm 30 years old, and today I'll be wearing the Y from ESF.
Hi, my name is Ahmed Fahim. I'm 43 years old. I'm wearing...
My name is Dravid. I'm 23 years old, and I have this right here.
That right there?
Yeah.
That right there is gold, bro. Come on, put a little respect on that. You see this? This is one of our samples for Santa Luccia, which is dropping in April 7th. This is our premium fragrance that we're dropping. Everything is made in France, handmade, and it's a parfum, highly concentrated. This is our come closer. This is the fragrance that we developed to get girls to think you're more attractive.
Wow.
So if this doesn't work, I'm scrapping the video, but if it does work, it's a hell of a marketing pitch. Let's go.
My name is Will. I'm wearing Creed Aventus.
Hi, my name is Francis. I'm 26 years old and I'm wearing Blue de Chanel.
My name is Elijah Gray, and today the clone I have is 1 million.
My name is Ben. I'm 24 and I'm wearing Eros for my speed date tonight.
My name is Dante. I'm 20 years old. Today I'm rocking Spice Bombs.
Hi, I'm Alessandra.
Nice to meet you, Alessandra.
Where are you from?
I'm actually from the Bronx.
Oh wow, okay. I'm from New Jersey.
Jersey gal.
Yes.
Interesting.
What's your favorite sports teams?
I'm kind of loyal to my home, so I like the Yankees.
Oh, yeah, I'm a Mets fan. I have a big rivalry with Yankee
So
players.
we would have a huge rivalry fighting.
Oh, right, baby. A 4.
How about a conversation?
Conversation just to be like the Yankees or
2 and a 4.
I actually think that I'm a pretty cool dude. I just don't think that she personally gave me a chance, but it's okay.
The minute he said he was from the Bronx, I was like, this kid's a Yankees fan. Gotta go. What's your favorite kind of music?
I'm really into anything they can play in a club. I'm all about, energy and just having a good time.
Okay, I respect that.
I go to this thing called Foam and Glow.
Mm-hmm.
It's a really good time. It's basically raving with a bunch of foam coming out of a ceiling.
Oh wow. Not bad, like a 7.
7?
Yeah.
7 to 10?
When he was talking about raves, I do enjoy that, but not to that extreme. I'm more of like a chill festival kind of person. Oh, I like that a lot. The scent, a 10.
Oh, nice.
How do you feel like, was it fair?
Hell yeah, I'm happy. I was about to say, it would have been better if it was 10 and 10. Not that I'm cocky about it or anything, but I was like, look, if it's over a 5, I'm going home happy, right? But at least I'm going home happy and smelling like the arrows.
What do you value the most in a significant other?
Security.
Value the most one thing.
Yeah.
Honesty.
Honestly?
Yeah. Not bad.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
What do you rate it?
Like a 4. Yeah.
Alright.
I've had better conversations, so like a 2.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, I don't care. I got a girl anyway, so I'm saying I really don't care.
I just felt like I was pulling teeth trying to get to talk to. Are you into fashion at all?
Yeah,
What kind of brands do you like?
I am more of a Versace guy.
Ooh.
That a little bit more avant-garde and also a little bit minimalistic.
No, I definitely like Versace.
Yeah.
My all-time favorite brand has to be Dior though.
Ooh,
Yeah.
yes.
1 to 10, how would you rate the conversation?
Probably the same. It was pretty good. Ooh, I like that.
Like, you could both sit down ratings.
The fragrance, like a 7.5. Versace. I like that.
Not bad. It's really good.
Do you feel like she gave you a fair rating?
I say so.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
I have an OnlyFans. Would you judge me for that?
No. Everybody has the right to, express their. Actually, it's actually tough. Because generally in society, there's people that don't accept it. But I feel like if that gives you a way of income, it's not really. I can't really describe it, but I would accept it.
Thank you.
1 to 10, what would you rate it?
It wasn't bad, like a 6.
6?
Yeah. He definitely did not know how to take that question. I forgot to tell him I was kidding. I'm kidding. I don't have an OnlyFans, but if I were, subscribe. Oh, sorry. Let's go there.
What would you rate the fragrance?
Fragrance, like a 9.
I deserve a 10. I personally always feel like I deserve a 10.
What kind of cuisine that you are like a die-hard fan of?
I really like Cuban food. Like the seasoning in that food, it just does something to you.
What would you rate the conversation?
Probably the same. Pretty good.
7?
Yeah.
7?
Made me hungry. I definitely would want to eat some of his food.
Middle? It's on. Okay, you can both sit down now.
Probably like a 7. It was like a
7.
sweeter smell.
Definitely knows her food.
Would you rather go a year without sex or be in a toxic relationship?
I'd rather go 1 year without sex.
Interesting. I don't know. I feel like I'd probably rather be in a toxic relationship because then the sex will still be good.
I think you could be in a toxic relationship and have really fast sex as well. So it's not a win-win.
That's true.
Situation.
That's a really unfortunate situation.
All right, then conversation from 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
It's okay. Like a 4.
4?
Yeah. He's not down for the conversation. That's all good.
All right.
Fragrance was pretty good. Probably a 9.
9?
Yeah.
Honestly, that was a really hard question. There was only 2 choices and I didn't want to answer either of them, so I said neither.
You sound like you listen to some good music.
I do listen to a wide variety. Reggae, rap.
I listen to more like alternative, like bands, Def Leppard.
Def Leppard.
Yes.
Yes, they have quite a few hits that even hip hop artists use. Yeah.
Not bad. Probably like a 5. The fragrance, I didn't really like it.
Really?
So probably like a 1.5. It had like a weird like outdoorsy smell or something. I don't know. I didn't like it.
Oh, it's okay.
You're not hurt?
No, not at all.
All right, based on his voice, describe what you think the person next to you looks like.
I think probably white. Probably like not too tall. Probably like 5'9". Probably has a beard. I can't tell. Conversation. Like a 5. I didn't really know how to talk to him, to be honest. It felt hard. It wasn't bad. Probably like a 7.5.
She could give me more on the conversation.
What's your take on this whole experience? Like, how are you feeling?
I was nervous at first, but now I'm definitely become more comfortable.
Definitely, older guys are giving their experiences. And,
They probably were not too happy. Probably the same. I like that. Yeah.
Hey, look at that. Pretty good.
The fragrance, that was pretty good. Probably like a 8.5.
Nice.
Yeah. I actually genuinely liked it. It was more like, I'm trying to remember, but it felt like floral, like just very warm.
So it's something you would want your boyfriend to wear.
Oh yeah, no, genuinely I like that one, I swear.
I just raw dogged that whole conversation.
Boys, clearly your scent matters. And the interesting thing is that all these fragrances are relatively affordable, around the $100 region. And for you to be notched up an extra 2-3 points on your attractiveness, yo, I think that's worth it. Now, the interesting thing is that the most expensive fragrance was usually rated really high as well. Should we do this video again, but just super high-end fragrances, 500 and above? If you guys want to see that, let me know down below. But that's it for me today. See you next time.